Hello students, welcome on my YouTube channel Physics by Pradeep Kumar. In this video, we discuss about a very important topic, principle of homogeneity of dimensions. You know very well in any physical formula which have more than one terms, then the each term of that physical formula have same units. If the each term have not same units, then we cannot add these terms. Okay, and this formula dimensionally will be wrong. That means each term of any physical formula have same dimensions. Okay, and if the each term of any physical formula have same dimensions, then that physical formula will be correct. And this principle is known as principle of homogeneity, and principle of homogeneity is very important tool to calculate the dimensions of a physical quantities and to check the correctness of any physical formula which have more than two terms. Okay, in previous applications of dimensions we discuss about that formulas which have only one term. So first of all we clear the concept of term. What do you mean by term? So for this we take an algebraical expression like this. There is a polynomial px equal to ax cube plus bx cap plus cx plus d. Here this is first term and this is second term and third term and fourth term. That means there are four terms in this formula. Okay, so these are terms. Terms means which is separated by positive or negative sign. Okay. Positive and negative sign. So according to this, each term in any physical formula have same dimension, which is known as principle of homogeneity. To clear this principle, we take an example and problem, and this principle is very important for examination. So basically, always one problem asked in exams, and this topic is very important in the point of view of competition examinations. Okay, so see carefully. So first of all we take this example. The refractive index mu of a medium is found to vary with wavelength lambda as this expression, and this expression is also known as Cauchy's relation. Okay, now what are the dimensions of A and B? Here we want to find out the dimensions of A and B. So there are two terms, first term and second term. Since this physical formula is correct, so the dimension of right hand side and left hand side will be same. Okay, and each term of right hand side have same dimension like left hand side dimensions. Okay, so first of all we find out the dimension of A. Using principle of homogeneity, dimension of A is same as dimension of mu. But what is the dimension of mu? What is the dimension of mu? So since you know very well refractive index, mu is defined as speed of light in vacuum divided by speed of light in that medium. Okay, and the unit of speed is meter per second. Unit of speed is meter per second, can cancel out. That is, mu is a unitless quantity. Okay, so dimensional formula of mu क्या होगा बताइए? दिस इज m to the power 0, l to the power 0 and t to the power 0. हम ऐसे लिख देते हैं जब कुछ भी नहीं है. अब चलिए इसमें यूजिंग प्रिंसिपल ऑफ होमोजेनिटी, using principle of homogeneity. Dimensional formula of A equals to, इसे देखे बंद तो नहीं हुआ, देखते इक्वल्स टू डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला ऑफ म्यू. Okay, that means A is also a dimensionless quantity. And now for B, the dimension of this quantity will be same as this quantity. Okay, see here carefully. Dimension of B by lambda square equals to dimension of A. Dimension of B equals to dimension of A into lambda square. So right here the dimension of A. Dimension of A is m to the power 0, l to the power 0 and t to the power 0 multiply by dimension of lambda. Lambda is wavelength and wavelength is a special type of length and the dimension of length is L. So we can write here is L to the power 2 which is equal to m to the power 0, l to the power 2 and t to the power 0. So these are the dimension formulas of A and B, and this is the application of principle of homogeneity of dimensions. Okay, and now we take another example based on this problem. Okay, see carefully here. Problem second. Find out the dimension of small a and small b in this relation. Okay, and relation is x equal to at plus b by c plus t. A, b and c. Okay, so now where x is length. Okay, solution. In short, dimension of x is length, that is L. We can write this term as m to the power 0, l to the power 1 and t to the power 0. Using principle of homogeneity, dimension of at equals to dimension of x implies that dimension of a equals to dimension of x by t. Okay, that is dimension of x is m to the power 0, l to the power 1 and t to the power 0. And what is the dimension of t? Divided by dimension of t is capital T. That is dimension of A is m to the power 0, l to the power 1 and t to the power minus. ये हो गया. And now for dimension of this term is same as dimension of this term and this term. Now first of all we find out the dimension of this term in and C using principle of homogeneity, because these two terms are added here, so the dimension of C will be same as dimension of T. Dimension of C equals to dimension of T. इसे आप स्किप कर दीजिए तो आप देखिए दो ऐड हो रही है, तो ऐड होने का मतलब क्या होगी, इनकी डायमेंशन क्या होगी, सेम. तो डायमेंशन ऑफ सी इज सेम एज डायमेंशन ऑफ टी, दैट इज कैपिटल टी. ओके, सेकंड आंसर एंड दिस इज फर्स्ट आंसर. एंड डायमेंशन ऑफ बी बाय सी प्लस टी is equal to dimension of x. Dimension of x and dimension of b is same as dimension of x into c plus t. ये और करके ऐसे लिखते हैं डायमेंशन ऑफ एक्स सी प्लस सी टी. ओके, so because these two terms are added here, so the dimension of overall term will be same as dimension of this term and dimension of this term. So we can take here dimension of b equals to dimension of CT, and the dimension of CT is dimension of C and dimension of T. What is the dimension of C is T, and the dimension of this T is also T. That is dimension of B is T square. Okay, this is the third answer. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Okay.